Chris Fernandez, a social activist from Old Goa, has taken objection to the granite name plaque put up by the Archaeological Survey of India, which suggests that the Sikh Cathedral de Santa Catherine is the property of the Archaeological Survey of India. Baptist has submitted a memorandum to the Union Tourism Minister Shripad Naik, asking to ensure that the central government direct the Archaeological Survey of India to remove their granite name plaque from the World's Heritage Site.
We have met the Honorable Union Minister for Tourism, and we have submitted a memorandum to him as regards to this Old Goa Heritage Site is concerned. We have placed before him the sentiments of a Catholic community in large. This World Heritage Monument today cannot be identified by any local or a foreign tourist at first sight, because there are dozens of boards put up over here of Archaeological Survey of India, and right in the center of this World Heritage Site there's a big granite name plate of ASI, which signifies that this whole is a hub of Archaeological Survey of India. And today's memorandum submitted to the minister, we have asked him to direct the ASI authorities to replace it with Sikh Cathedral de Santa Catarina. Then these are two World Heritage monuments. One is Bon Jesus Basilica and Sikh Cathedral. But to identify these places, there's a small signboard, like a traffic signboard, you can say, on the highway, just pointing arrows, Bon Jesus Basilica and Sikh Cathedral. So we ask this concerned authorities to look into this matter and display the names in a proper manner.
What was the response of the MP that you were to say public?
When we explain and put forth our grievances, so he too has come to a conclusion that the name of ASI can be put in small letters, but not in the manner what is being displayed over here.
You are happy that if they put in small letters?
Yeah, because they can put their name, because they are the, see, Archaeological Survey of India is protecting and maintaining authority, and they are not the owners of all these archaeological sites, heritage sites. They are only the protecting and maintaining authorities. So, well, they can definitely put their name saying protected and maintained by.
ना ताजे प्रॉब्लेम जे कितें सांगले ते नेमका आनी जे सायड लूक पळयता कितें जालें तें प्रॉब्लेम आनी त्या प्रमाणे येणारे एक्सपोजिशन बरें जावचें ह्या संदर्भात काही आमचे योजना आसात त्यो योजना फुडें व्हरपाक आमचें काम चालू आसा त्यामुळे तांचे जे काही प्रॉब्लेम म्हणून सांगल्यात ते एड्रेस करता.